This video is about 10 idioms. I describe them and tell what they are. So, I hope you learn something. If you do, give this video a like, subscribe, share it with your friends, and that's all. The first idiom is to let the cat out of the bag. It means to give out a secret, like she let the cat out of the bag accidentally. The second one is to get two birds with one stone, to do two things at once. The third idiom is break a leg. It doesn't mean I hope you get hurt, it means good luck. Next one is black sheep. Black sheep means like a disgrace to the family. And the next one is speak of the devil. Like, oh, we were just talking about this and this happened. Next one is piece of cake. It means like very easy. Next one is rocket science. It's not rocket science. It means it's not that complicated. The eighth idiom is beat around the bush. It means avoid saying what you mean, usually because it is uncomfortable. The next one is better late than never. It means better to arrive late than not to come at all. And the last idiom is elephant in the room. It is a major problem that is obvious but is avoided in a discussion. Those are the 10 idioms for this video. If you enjoyed, please give this video a like, subscribe, and bye.